Welcome back, my dear friends. In this session, we are going to learn some more problems on rank correlation coefficient when ranks are repeating. In the previous sessions, we discussed about rank correlation coefficient. The same thing will continue in this session also. Worked problem number 4. Already 3 problems have been worked out in the previous session, and practice problems were also given. I hope you have worked out those practice problems and understood the worked problems presented in the previous video. Okay, the problem says in a beauty competition, 2 judges ranked 8 participants as follows. Judge A ranks are given and Judge B ranks are given directly. You need not rank them up here because ranks are already given. No need to rank them once again. Okay, Judge B assigned ranks on 8 candidates. Okay, the question is, what is the degree of agreement between the judgments of 2 judges? So here we have to calculate rank correlation coefficient because ranks are given. So when ranks are given, we have to use rank correlation coefficient. Here you are not asked to calculate rank correlation coefficient. Observe. But the situation says we have to calculate rank correlation coefficient because ranks are given. Okay, then let us solve this. Solution: computation of rank correlation coefficient. Okay, write Judge A's ranks as R1. Ranks are already given. R1, Judge B's ranks as R2. Let us write them in vertical form. R1 2.5, 1, 5, 2.5, 6, 8, 4, 7. So here mark the repeated ranks. 2.5, 2.5 we are finding 2 times. So one rank is repeating here 2 times. So shape it using some shape. So shaping is to identify how many ranks have been repeated. That's all. Okay. Next, write up R2 1, 6, 4, 3, 6, 2, 8, 6. Here also rank number 6 is repeating thrice, 3 times. I hope you observed. So shape it 6, 1 more 6 and 1 more 6. So in both the series, 2 ranks are repeating. Okay, in the formula we have to add 1 by 12 into m cube minus m 2 times to sigma d square. Okay, next step is find out d, that is difference between ranks, R1 minus R2. D, R1 minus R2, R2 minus R1. It is up to you, you decide. Okay, 2.5 minus 1, 1.5, 1 minus 6, minus 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 2.5 minus 3, minus 0.5, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 8, minus 4, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, then find out d square. 1.5 square, 2.25, minus 5 square plus 25. 1 square means 1, 0.5 square, 0.25, 0 square, 0, 6 square 36, minus 4 square 16, plus 16, minus into minus plus, 4 into 4 16, 1 square 1. Now sum up these values, d square values, to find out summation d square as 81.5. Okay, next is to substitute the values into the formula, selecting the suitable formula here. So two ranks are repeating. In R1, one rank is repeating 2 times. In R2, one more rank is repeating 3 times. 6, 6, 6, 3 times. 2.5, 2.5, 2 times. So two ranks are repeating. One rank is repeating by itself 2 times, and another rank in the other series is repeating by itself 3 times. So the formula will be R equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. As two ranks are repeating, we have to add up 1 by 12 into m cube minus m 2 times here. Observe the formula, whole divided by n cube minus n. Substitute the values. R equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square. Sigma d square is 81.5 plus 1 by 12. So one rank in judge A column, that is R1 column, 2.5 is repeating 2 times. Therefore m value is taken 2 here. 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 into, in other column R2 column, 6 is repeating 3 times. Therefore 3 cube minus 3 divided by 8 pairs are there. 8 cube minus 8, n is 8. Simplify this, apply your mathematical skill. R equals to 1 minus 6 into 81.5 plus 1 by 12 into 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8, minus 2, plus 1 by 12 into 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 3 divided by 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, 512, minus 8. That is, you will get like this. Next, simplify that step also. R equals to 1 minus, so simplified expression is 6 into 81.5 plus 1 by 12 into 6 plus 1 by 12 into 24 whole divided by 504. 512 minus 8 is 504. Simplify this, where 1 by 12 into 6, if you put 1 by 12 into calculator, it will give different answer. Different means nearest answer, you will get confused. Therefore you do it like this, 1 into 6, 6 divided by 12, that is 6 ones are 6 divided by 12, 6 by 12, 0.5. Similarly 24 into 1 divided by 12, 24 by 12 equals to 2. So find out that 1 minus 6 into 81.5 plus 0.5 plus 2 whole divided by 504. Simplifying this, we get 6 into 84 divided by 504. Simplify that one also. R equals to 1 minus 6 into 84 means 504 divided by 504. So R equals to 1 minus 504 divided by 504 means 1 itself, equals to 0. There is no correlation between judge A and judge B. Given judges, there is no correlation. They are acting differently. Okay, this is the solution. Let us go to next problem. So here it is given, practice yourself. So similar problem is there with number of items, I think 12. 12 numbers are there, n means 12. So in both the series, ranks are repeating, and apply the formula. In case ZGA repeating is 2.5, 2.5, one rank is repeating. Yes, ZGA, one rank is repeating, therefore 1 by 12 into m cube minus m is added once from first row, that is for ZGA, and ZB, so we can observe 10.5, 10.5, that means one rank is repeating. And if other one, so 5, 5, 5 is given 3 times, so one more rank. So from ZGA, one rank, from ZB, 2 ranks, 10.5, 10.5, 1, and 5, 5, 5, 1. So 2 ranks are repeating. Therefore, we have to add 1 by 12 into m cube minus m 3 times to sigma d square into the formula. So in case of first m, you take ZGA 2.5, 2.5, 2 times it is repeating, therefore 2 cube minus 2. Then in case of second 1 by 12 into m cube minus m is 3, 5, 5, 5 is repeating 3 times, therefore 3 cube minus 3. And last m is 2, 10.5, 10.5 is repeating 2 times, therefore 2 cube minus 2. Take the formula like that and try to solve this. You should get answer minus 0.2010. The answer is there is negative agreement, lower negative agreement between judgments of two judges with respect to music. You have to write the answer, judgment. Okay, that is interpretation. Let us go to next problem. Here 3 problems are given. 3 judges have ranked 10 competitors in a beauty contest. We have to answer, we have to say as to which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common tastes in beauty. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಜೋಡಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. So we are not asked to calculate rank correlation here, but indirectly it is given. We have to compute rank correlation coefficient, but 3 judges are there. So we have to pair up A and B once, B and C, next C and A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರ ಇಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವಿನ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಸಿ ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಸಿ, ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಸಿ ನಡುವೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3 ಜೋಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಎ, ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಬಿ, ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಸಿ's ranks. So 10 competitors are there and there are repetitions of ranks in all the 3 rows. Let us work out this. First, solution. Computation of rank correlation coefficient. Let us take Judge A's rankings as RA, Judge B's rankings as RB, and Judge C's rankings as RC. You can calculate separately also AB, BC and CA. I am calculating all the workings in one table itself. Let us take RA, Judge A's rankings. So 8, 8, 8 is repeating. Mark them up using some shape. So 8, 8, 8 has been marked. So one rank is repeating under Judge A. Then take Judge B's rankings. Here 2 ranks are repeating, 5.5 and 8.5. So mark them up 2 times each. So So 5.5 and 5.5, 8.5 and 8.5. Then take out, write down the rankings given by Judge C. So here 2, 5 and 9 are repeating 3 times each. So 3 ranks are repeating 3 times each. So mark them up using some shape. 2, one more 2 and another 2. 5, 5, 5 and 9, 9, 9. Okay, so now take the pair of A and B, find out difference between A and B rankings. DAB, RA minus RB. So 3 minus 5.5 minus 2.5, 5 minus 5.5 minus 0.5, 4 minus 1, 3, 10 minus 8.5 plus 1.5, 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 6 minus 7, minus 1, 8 minus 8.5, minus 0.5, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Square up these values to find out D square between AB. 2.5 square means 6.25, 0.5 square 0.25, 3 square 9, 1.5 square 2.5, 2.25, 4 square 16, 2 square 4, 1 square 1, again 1 square 1, 0.5 square, all minus will become plus, therefore I am not mentioning. 0.25 minus 1 square 1. Similarly, find out differences between BC, B and C. Name it as difference between A, B and C. DBC, that is RB minus RC. 5.5 minus 9 minus 3.5. Again 5.5 minus 9 minus 3.5. 1 minus 7 minus 6. 8.5 minus 5 plus 3.5. 4 minus 2 plus 2. 10 minus 2 plus 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 8.5 minus 5, 3.5. 3 minus 9 minus 6. Square these values. D square between B and C. Minus 3.5 square, 12.25. Minus 3.5 square, 12.25 again. Minus 6 square, 36. Minus, 3.5 square, 12.25. 2 square, 4. 8 square, 64. 0 square, 0. 2 square, 4. 3.5 square, 12.25. Minus 6 square, 36. Total of these values, you will get D square equals to 193 between BC. Next, pair up C and A, judges C and A, find out the differences. DCA, that is RC minus RA, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 10, minus 5, 2 minus 8, minus 6, 2 minus 8 again minus 6, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 6, minus 1, 5 minus 8, minus 3, 9 minus 2, 7. Square these values to find out D square between CA. 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, minus 5 square 25, minus 6 square 36, minus 6 square 36, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 3 square 9 and 7 square 49. Total of these things will be 218. Now using the formulas, find out rank correlations. AB, rank correlation coefficient between judge A and judge B. Observe here 1 minus, observe how many 1 by 12 into m cube minus m have been added to sigma d square. So 3 ranks are repeating in both A and B. Therefore 3 1 by 12 into m cube minus m have been added divided by n cube minus n. Substitute the values. Equals to RAB equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square value, find out from the table. For AB only 41 it is. Then in case of rankings A, M is 8, 8, 8 3 times. So 3 cube minus 3. Then in case in column B, judge B, 5.5 and 8.5. 5.5 is repeating 2 times. Then 8.5 is repeating 2 times. Therefore, in both these remaining 2, 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, we have to take 2 cube minus 2 and 2 cube minus 2. Then pairs are 8, 8 cube minus 8. Sorry, 10 cube minus 10. 10 pairs, 10 numbers are given. Therefore, 10 cube minus 10. So 6 into 41. So I have explained this. Then simplify using your mathematical skill. 1 minus 6 into 41 plus 1 by 12 into 3 cube minus 3 into 3 into 3, 27 minus 3. 2 cube minus 2 into 2 into 2, 8 minus 2. 2 cube again, 8 minus 2 divided by 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 minus 10. Okay. Next, simplify. So you will get like this. Then simplifying this one also, you will get 6 into 41 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 990. Simplify 6 into 44 divided by 990. 1 minus 264 divided by 990, which is equal to 1 minus 0.2667 equals to plus 0.7333 is the rank correlation between judges A and B. So similarly find out rank correlation coefficient between BC. Rank correlation coefficient between B and C. 1 minus, observe here, 6 into 5 times in case of judge B, 2 ranks are repeating. In case of judge C, 3 ranks are repeating. Okay, therefore 1 by 12 into m cube minus m have been added 5 times here. N cube minus n divided by. Okay, substitute the values. 6 into sigma d square for BC is 193 plus, so observe 2 cube added 2 times because of judge B. 5.5 has been repeated 2 times, 8.5 has been repeated 2 times. Then in case of C, 2 is repeating 3 times, therefore 3 cube minus 3. 5 is repeating 3 times, 3 cube minus 3. 9 is repeating 3 times, therefore 3 cube minus 3 times. So simplifying this, we get like this. Okay, observe and solve it. You can, you know how to simplify this. Then stepwise I am showing clearly. So 1 by 12 into 6 means make it 6 by 12. 1 by 12 into 24 means make it 24 by 12. Otherwise you will get confused. Okay, simplifying this, we get the simplified format like this. Simplify that one also. 6 into 200 divided by 990, which is equal to 1 minus 6 into 200 means 1200 divided by 990. Simplify. 1 minus 1.2121. So you are getting minus rank correlation coefficient, that is minus 0.2121. This is rank correlation coefficient between B and C. There is negative low degree correlation between judges B and C with respect to beauty characteristic. Okay, next, find out similarly rank correlation coefficient C and A or AC. 1 minus 6 sigma d square, 6 into sigma d square. So here 4 1 by 12 into m cube minus m's have been added. So I have already explained in case of judge A, 8 is repeating 3 times, therefore m cube, m means 3. Then in case of judge C, all the repeating ranks have been repeated 3 times each. Therefore all m's will be 3 here. Substituting them, 1 minus 6 into sigma d square for CA is 218. Observe in the table. Then 3 cube minus 3, 3 cube minus 3, 3 cube minus 3, 3 cube minus 3 divided by 10 cube minus 10. So simplifying this, hope you will simplify. You have already practiced. So 24 by 12, 24 by 12, 24 by 12 and 24 by 12, which gives you 2222. Add them up to 218 like this. Okay. Next, 1 minus 6 into 226 divided by 990 equals to 1 minus 1356 divided by 990 equals to 1 minus 1356 divided by 990 means 1.3697. So the answer is minus 0.3697. Here also we are getting negative correlation coefficient. So which pair of judges have highest correlation coefficient between among these three? Pair A and B. Pair A and B rank correlation coefficient is 0.73333. Is it not? So therefore the final answer is, since rank correlation coefficient is the maximum, the pair of judges AB has the nearest approach to tastes in beauty. This is your interpretation. Okay, that's all folks. I have explained all the types of problems here. If any other problem is there in your question paper or in your books, if you are referring books, try to solve them using the knowledge given here, learned here. If not, if you are finding difficulty in solving those problems, feel free to ask me. I will explain. Okay, thank you. Let me finish off the theoretical aspects related to rank correlation coefficient, that is merits and demerits. Let us do it. Let us understand them also. Merits of rank correlation coefficient. It is easy to calculate and understand compared to Pearson's correlation method. You have worked out problems under both methods. You know which method is simpler, easy. Therefore, comparatively, correlation coefficient is easier than Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient and other methods. You don't know other methods. We have not taught them to you as per syllabus. Okay. Concurrent deviation method, graphic method, all those things are there. So we have not taught them to you. Next, when ranks based on characteristics, abstract characteristics are given, rank correlation method is the only method available to calculate correlation coefficient. And one more thing, qualitative nature aspects like beauty, efficiency, intelligence, etc. are given, then this method is of great use to calculate correlation coefficient. Demerits of rank correlation coefficient: one, this method cannot be employed in a grouped data. Grouped data, you know, the class intervals will be given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that. So in such a case, this method cannot be employed. Next is not useful in case of large quantities are to be ranked. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10-12 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 100-150 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ 50 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ. If you are using machineries, then automatically it will rank. Computer use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ manually it will be difficult to rank all the numbers if large variables are given. So this is a theoretical aspect relating to rank correlation. Okay, hope you wrote all these things in your notes. So thank you. End of correlation coefficient concept, and in the next session we will be discussing regression analysis. See, another important aspect, and based on correlation coefficient, therefore we will be discussing regression analysis in the coming session. Thank you. If you understood and felt happy and thinking that my work is serving you in somewhat a better way, you please subscribe. It will motivate me, it will enthuse me to do these type of works in future also. So please subscribe if you are satisfied. If you are not satisfied, don't subscribe. Thank you very much.